Alright guys, it's December, what is it, 19th. Between a couple hours last night and about an hour and a half tonight, I got the air tank mounted, and I got the compressor mounted, which I'll show you here. There's Miss Daisy. But nonetheless, what I did, and I'm hoping it's cool, and I hope it tucks under the bed. I don't see why it wouldn't. But I mounted it right to the frame with the brackets that were supplied. Down here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. I ran out of frame. So, there you go, focused. I had to make this tab right here and put a nice arch in it, just to add a little bit of character, I guess. But drop that down to get it in here. As you can see, the frame's here, and this is the bracket I made, or the tab. And then the thing that was messing with me was, you know, the angle of how I wanted to mount this. So I ended up putting a level pretty much on this trim, all right? And I jacked the back of the truck up until that was level. So that door trim right there was level, and then I matched that same angle with the air tank there. So, you know, my idea is, I'm hoping when the truck sits level, or sits down and squats down and is aired out, that the trim along with this cylinder, their air tank, is also parallel with the ground. I didn't like the idea of this air line hanging under the frame, so I put a hole in here, and I'm going to plate this on both sides, just to beef it up, and then I'm going to put a rubber grommet in there so this doesn't rub. On the inside, as I mounted my compressor, and the easiest way I found to do this was to take the compressor off, set the compressor on a piece of paper or, you know, thin cardboard, and make a template of the mounting holes, and then put the mounting holes, or put the template up on the inside of the frame where you want the compressor to sit. Center punch them, and then drill it from the inside of the frame where we're looking here out. So I got that mounted, nice and sturdy. So that's all in all. My goal was to get that done so we could get the frame, start getting the frame cleaned up here. I still need to, I'm going to knock off these rivets which hold the upper shock mounts on both sides. I'm going to take them off because I'm going to be relocating the shocks, and I'm also going to be redoing the panhard bar mount. I decided, or the track bar mount, which is we got to take this guy off. So inside here, yeah, you can't really see it, but inside here we're gonna have to come up from the bottom, I guess. There's some well, there's, yeah, those two rivet heads right there need to come out, along with this one and this one, it feels like. So that and that, and then you can drop that mount off. But I'm going to relocate it. I guess the kit, or I don't know if I'm going to make one yet or buy a kit, but either way, mount them in the same spot, but drop it down a little bit lower to get it parallel, more parallel to the ground, or closer to parallel to the ground. And then it comes back down here and mounts down here. So that's what we're looking at. That's just a quick update. So thanks for checking everything out, and we will keep rolling from here.